The Melbourne market delivered results that differed from most Australian capital cities across June and the second quarter of 2024. While our nation saw an increase in dwelling values of 0.7% across the month, Melbourne saw a marginal decrease in both house and unit prices, down 0.2% and 0.3% respectively. It also recorded a decline in its overall dwelling price of 0.6% for the June quarter.
Tim Lawless of CoreLogic has reported that a housing undersupply across most of the country is the primary factor keeping upward pressure on property values. Melbourne, however, is not experiencing issues with its stock levels. Instead, it is maintaining robust listing numbers, with the latest data showing figures 17.5% higher than a year ago and 13.5% above the 5-year average. This increased inventory is acting as a steadying force against the price inflation being observed in other markets where stock levels are considerably lower.
In relation to the rental market, Melbourne has seen a steady improvement in its vacancy rate across 2024, reaching a 6-month high of 1.2% in June. It is common for vacancy rates to increase during the winter season. However, the current rate is notably higher than this time last year. This trend indicates a gradual easing in the rental market, potentially relieving some of the strain on renters while moderating the pace of rental price increases. The rental market should see further stabilisation through a number of government initiatives. These include the new strategy, which is expected to result in a decline in migration, and efforts to boost home ownership through schemes such as Home Guarantee Scheme, which began on July 1st.
Stage 3 tax cuts are also expected to offset the challenge of higher interest rates while increasing borrowing power for some buyers. PropTrack economist Paul Ryan believes these changes could particularly benefit first home buyers in the lower end of the market.
If you have any property related questions, we'd be happy to assist. Contact your local Noel Jones agent via phone or at noeljones.com.au.